Hey guys, this is Stefan with Exclusive Service, and just want to give you an update of the M8 competition project. So Eric's working on this, and I'm going to turn the camera around and ask Eric some questions. Eric, how's it going?
It's going.
So give us an update. Where are we at with this car so far?
So we're early on so far. We've gotten the bumper off. I've had to pull some of the plastic brackets and whatnot off of these wrap around the actual bumper on the car. I've had to cut them and modify them a little bit so that we can put the wiring harness back on when we're done. And we're going to make room for those two small heat exchangers that are going to go in the front, the extra one. Over here, we've moved this auxiliary radiator out of the way. Then we're going to move this bracket that holds it so we can get at this cooler hose right here. I don't know if you can see it, but this cooler hose right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut it at 2 points, and then we're going to splice it with a Y pipe, and we're going to add new hoses that lead around to the front where we're going to have our 2 extra heat exchangers.
Gotcha. So this is so that basically the coolant with the performance mods, the engine's going to run hotter, but the purpose of this is to help cool it down, correct?
Yes,
all right.
And also for the charge air system as well, the indirect charge air system, because this uses coolant to cool down the intercoolers, which cools down the charged air from the turbos. So this means you can shove more air into the engine.
Nice. Awesome.
More power.
Thanks.
Yep.
We'll check later for an update.
Yep.